Thanks for your interest in the Focus on Youth 24/7 project. This project is a study that will determine how well an online learning program will prepare facilitators to teach a specific curriculum called Focus on Youth with Impact. I want to tell you about the study, but first of all, let me tell you about the excellent curriculum that this project will be using. The Focus on Youth with Impact program, or FOI, is an 8-session HIV and STD prevention program. It was created specifically for African American youth, one of the groups most severely affected by HIV infection in the United States. In addition, FOI addresses the huge issue of how to avoid unplanned pregnancy. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, or the CDC for short, calls FOI an evidence-based program. That means it has been carefully studied and was found to be effective in lowering rates of sex without a condom, and alcohol and tobacco use. A unique aspect of FOI is the impact piece, which stands for Informed Parents and Children Together. Research shows that kids are more likely to make good decisions about their behavior if their parents or guardians know what they're up to. That's why FOI includes some sessions for youth and their parents or trusted adults. Now, let me tell you more about the FOI 24/7 project. This is a research study that is comparing different methods of preparation to teach FOI. One of these methods is an interactive web-based training course that the project will develop and evaluate. So, why is the study called FOI 24/7? Because the skills and information that youth gain will be with them 24/7 for the rest of their lives. Also, you'll be able to use the print resources needed to prepare your sessions whenever it's most convenient for you. And for those in the online training group, you'll be able to access the online support any time of day or night, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The other study participants will get access to the online training after the research is completed. Here's what the FOI 24/7 participants will receive. Everyone will get free FOI curriculum materials to keep. In addition, participants will receive stipends for completing surveys, lesson logs, and other research activities. This can add up to $200 or more for each of the FOI facilitators. Now here's what we're looking for. We need many group leaders to facilitate FOI in the late fall of 2012. These are people who work with youth and can team with a co-facilitator to lead 8 sessions of about 2 hours each with youth. Gather a group of 6 to 10 youth, either all boys, all girls, or a mixed group. Arrange to meet at a consistent place and time. Be open to leading parent sessions if that works for you and your community. Are you interested in learning more? You can explore the project website and fill out the online interest survey. We will then contact you about the next steps. If you have any comments or questions about this project, please let us know. Together, FOI 24/7 facilitators will lead over 2,000 youth through an HIV prevention program that works. You have a chance to make a real difference through this program. Why don't you think about joining us?